Hi Bellas! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'll be doing a review video. And before we start this, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do subscribe. It's Bell Space Nikita. And if you want to follow me on my Instagram, it's at Nikita Bells. And if you want to know what I will be reviewing today, just stay tuned and keep on watching. Welcome back, Bellas. Ayun na nga guys, like what I've said earlier, I'll be doing a review video. But ganyan ang hair ko. And by the way, ang dami palang nagko-comment sa akin, lagi ko daw ginagalaw yung hair ko. Ganun talaga ako guys. It's like a mannerism to me that I always have to, you know, fix my hair or touch my hair. Parang ganun. So parang naging nakasanayan ko na, whether if I'm filming or not, ganun talaga ako. And recently guys, I just had my hair done, okay? Nagpa-balayage ako. I did a balayage hair color. And shout out to Sister Gemma Bernardo for creating this beautiful hair color. It's really nice. And as we all know, pag balayage ang hair mo, you always want it vibrant and voluminous or curly, kasi mas maganda siya pag curly kasi na-emphasize talaga yung color ng hair. And that's the reason why I'm creating this video, kasi recently guys, unfortunately nasira yung pangkulot ko kasi it has been with me for more than 7 years. So parang bumigay na siya. So I needed to get a new one. Although I have a lot of hair tools, okay, came from the US na pinadala ng parents ko. Kaya lang it's just that here in the Philippines, most of the watts natin, diba, is like 220, doon 110. So, I need to buy like a transformer or converter before I can use them. So, ang ginawa ko, bumili na lang ako ng bago kong pang kulot or pang straight, okay? Although I have a flat iron which is 220, kaya lang itong nabili ko is super ganda. And I'll be doing a review of it. This is the WELITE hair care tools, okay? Which is the curl and straight style NANO advanced technology. Yan. So, nabili ko to sa SM department store. I know before, shoutout pala kay Ate Ann na nag-assist sa akin at kay sa pang ate na yung parang nag-review nito sa akin. Hindi ko ma-remember yung name eh. Before, they used to sell Vidal Sassoon kasi previous customer na nila ako. Kaya lang wala nang Vidal Sassoon na ata ngayon sa SM. So, they switched into the WELITE. So, I'll be doing a review of this. Ganito pala siya. And this one is 11 by 32. Ayan. 11 by 32 mm. Okay, barrel. And it's a ceramic one. So, and the good thing about this guys, nabili ko siya ng naka-sale. Kasi the original price of this, wait lang, ito. Ito yung original price nga, it's 3,299 pesos. But I believe it is, meron para siyang 20% off or something like that. And I only got it for like 2,900 something. So, malaking discount siya. Tapos, pag bumili ka pa nito before, meron kang parang freebie na makukuha. Unfortunately, hindi ko pa nakuha yung sa akin kasi nawalan sila ng stock. Although, kilala ko naman si Sister Ann, pinatago na lang nila yung resibo sa akin. So, makukuha ko siya once the item is already available. So, yun guys. I'm really excited to use this. Ito pala yung laman ng box. Okay. Wala na siyang plastic kasi tinanggal na kasi ginamit siya dun sa mall. They have to try it, of course, to make sure na gumagana siya. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Okay. It has a clip-on para pag nagka-curl ka. Tapos, dito yung parang start button niya. And then, you have the plus and minus sign if you wanna move the temperature up. Okay, it starts with 120, goes up to 220. Normally, I use the 200. So, ganun siya. Tapos, may cord lang. And then, it's the swirling cord. So, hindi ka nahihirapan. What else inside the box? Oh, it's like a manual or something. Ito, it's a manual or guide that you can read or, you can read so that you would know how to use this item. So now, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko siya gagamitin and titingnan natin kung bongga talaga siyang pang curl. Kasi, ewan ko, I'm a curl, alam mo yun, ako kasi talaga, I love curling my hair. I think that's my go-to style. Kasi parang hindi ko masyadong bagay yung flat or hindi ko gusto, although maganda naman yung straight, kaya lang hindi ko masyadong gusto kasi parang simple lang or flat looking and I don't like it. So alam niyo naman ako, gusto ko laging bongga, ganon. So, I love curling my hair. So, ngayon, titry natin siya. Wait lang. So, yan guys, sinaksak ko na siya. And, I just need to press this one. Hold press. Okay, there you go. Tapos makikita mo, nag-blink yung 120. And then, I'm gonna put the temperature into 200. Ayun. Ganun siya. Tapos, if you wanna use the flat iron, you just have to click this one down. Ayan, tapos mag-open yung barrel. Or mag-open siya. Ay, may book-book pa kasi ginamit nila sa akin to sa model. If you wanna straighten your hair, you can use this one. You just have to open that thing. Or slide it down. Tapos if you wanna close it, you just have to push it back and then slide mo siya pataas para mag-lock siya. Ayan, ganyan siya. Wait. Ayan. Ayan. See? Close na siya. So if you wanna curl your hair like this, so marami siyang ways guys to use it. You can do the flat iron for straightening, and then if you can use this one for curling, or you can do this without doing the clip-ons. So make sure na meron lang kayo gloves if you wanna curl your hair like this, parang ganon. But normally I use the one with the clip. So gusto ko to kasi ito yung nakasanayan ko. So now, while I'm waiting for the flat iron to be heated, I'm gonna section my hair into 2 sections. Ganyan lang ako mag-curl ng hair. So section ko siya ng dalawa. And then, I'm gonna grab some chunks of hair here. Yan. Medyo ganyan. Siguro mga 2 inches thick ng chunk of hair or chunks of hair, ganyan. And then, I always curl my hair. And then, you can hold this tip, yung dito, para hindi ka mainitan. And then, yun lang. And then, I'll just roll it or turn it inside, and then you wait for at least 8 to 10 seconds before you put it down or you release the clip. So release mo lang yung clip mo like that. See? Meron ka ng curl. So ganito siya. Yan, kuha ka ng ganyan kakapal, and then open your clip going outside your face, okay? Ganun ako nagka-curl. Yan, you open the clip, and then ipasok mo. And then once you reach the bottom part of the hair, you start rolling it up. Ganyan. Of course, it depends sa'yo kung anong gustong hairstyle na ma-achieve mo. And then you turn it another time. Yan, tapos i-hold mo lang yung parang clip dito sa taas para, or yung pin para hindi ka mainitan. Yan, and then let it sit for 8 to 10 seconds. Kasi ang gusto kong curl ay yung parang big, loose hair, na curly hair. Ayoko yung masyadong super kulot. And ganyan lang. So see? And then after you curl all of your hair, then that's the time that you can style it, or it depends kung anong mood mo, diba? So let's say yan. So ituloy-tuloy mo lang hanggang matapos yan. Yan. Napaka-easy guys. I swear, siguro sa una may hirapan kayo, pero once you get the hang of it, parang andali na lang. Like, if I'm not filming this video, or if I'm not filming, like, I can finish my hair for less than, 10 minutes. Ganon. And release mo lang. Ganon. I swear guys, pag naka-highlights kayo, tsaka naka-balayage, or basta yung mga merong ganong tone ng hair, maganda siyang kinukulot. Kasi talagang lumilitaw yung ganda ng kulay ng hair mo. Although maganda rin siya pag straight, kaya lang, I like my hair to look sexy, para wala lang. Pag curly kasi yung hair mo, parang sexy tignan. mostly ng mga Pilipina gusto nila ng straight, diba? Ako ayoko ng straight. Kasi parang feeling ko lang sa akin lang to. Kasi ang taba ng mukha ko. So pag flat yung hair ko, parang masyadong nagmumukha kong lalong monay. So, or lalong lumalaki yung face ko. So, yun yung iniiwasan ko. So, ayun, ganun siya. Kung gusto mong kapalan, kumuha ka lang ng madaming hair like this. Mas malaki yung curl nun.
few moments later.
So yan guys, tapos ko na siyang kinurl. Ganyan yung itsura niya. So that's how it looks like. So I highly recommend this guys. It's really nice to use. It's really easy. Tapos super init talaga siya. So careful din kayo kasi sobrang init niya. So I strongly suggest that you use like a heat protectant spray if you have, para at least ma-protect yung hair niyo sa init kasi sobrang init niya guys. So ganyan siya guys. Tapos na ako mag-curl. So what I do next is I normally use dry shampoo when I style my hair or a hairspray. Kaya lang for today, hindi ko siya gagamitin para tignan ko lang kung talaga maglalas yung curl ko today without using anything, or just simply using that, you know, hair tool. So what I do is I loose the curl like this, you know. I use my fingers, I run my fingers through my hair para mag-loose yung curl kasi ayoko masyadong curl. So yan guys, that's the finished look for using this WELITE hair care tool, the curling and the straightening nano advanced technology, and it's a ceramic one, so it's really nice. So yun guys, para sa akin worth it naman siya and sulit. Okay lang siya sa price niya. I know it's a little bit expensive, pero I think it's worth it kasi tingnan nyo naman yung nagawa niya sa hair ko guys. It's really curly. Ayan siya sa likod. So, ang ganda. So, hopefully mag-last siya. So, there you go guys. That's my review for this WELITE hair care tool. So if you want to purchase this one, you can go to SM Department Store. And by the way guys, this is not a sponsored video. Okay, binili ko po ito ng sariling pera ko. So baka naman, di ba, WELITE guys, pwede nyo akong bigyan or padala ng mga ganito. I would highly appreciate it. Pero you know, it's a big thumbs up for me. I really like this product, or I really like this hair tool. It's really nice and it's really easy to use. So yun lang guys. So yun po yung review ko for this one. And ready na akong umaura kasi ang ganda na ng hair ko, diba? Ayan guys. So ganyan siya. So there you go guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like this video, just click the thumbs up button. And you know, if you have suggestions, or if you want to recommend like what type of videos that I need to do next, just, you know, comment down below. Ayan guys. So until my next video, bye!